Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the atmosphere from geography chapter number 4. We have already discussed about the lithosphere. Lithosphere refers to the land. Hydrosphere refers to the water, and air refer to the atmosphere. Today we will discuss about, especially in this chapter, that the atmosphere. Okay, let us discuss about the atmosphere, air, in this chapter number 4, geography. From geography we have already discussed about land and water. We know that the land, water, air is very important for our life. We can't exist, survive without these air. In fact, it is the sources of our respiratory system. All of you know that the most important respiratory system needs air. Air is the mixture of various gases, and these gases surround the earth, but we cannot feel when it is calm, when it is not moving, but it can be felt when the air is in motion, is moving. The total mass of air surrounding our earth is known as the atmosphere. Along with the gases, water vapor and dust particles are also components of the earth, parts of the atmosphere, all these components. And all the gases, water vapors and dust particles combine together to form the atmosphere. You know that these components, earth holds due to the gravitational force. You know that due to these gravitational forces we can stand on the earth. That's why atmosphere is dense near the earth's surface. And when we going away from the earth, that it starts, its matlab atmosphere start thinning from the earth's surface, and lastly it merges into space. It means after the atmosphere that the space started. In this way, there is no definite boundary, no clear boundary between the atmosphere and the space. And it is the belief that the atmosphere extends up to the height of only 1600 km from the surface of the earth. Only 1600 km. It is called that the atmosphere. Okay. Let us know about the composition of the various gases in this atmosphere. And what is the composition of the atmosphere? What is the gases? The atmosphere gases is surrounding on the earth. Example, a combination of various gases. Which type of gases? like nitrogen, oxygen, argons, carbon dioxide, helium, neon, hydrogen, ozone, etc. All these gases form the atmosphere. And from this table, we can understand that the composition of the atmosphere and what is the percentage of these, what is the volume of these gases of the atmosphere. First, nitrogen, what is the percentage? 78.08%. Next gas is oxygen, 20.94%. Argon 0.93, carbon dioxide only 0.03%. Next gas is neon, 0.0018%. Helium 0.0005%. Ozone from 0.0006%. Hydrogen 0.00005%. So you can easily understand through this pie chart what is the percentage it is showing through the pie chart. And first gases, we know about the what is the quality, what is the features of this nitrogen gas. First, we have already know that the what is the percentage of the atmosphere in these gases, that the 78.08%. And what is the height of these gases? 128 kilometers from the Earth's surface. Nitrogen is lighter than oxygen and carbon dioxide, but it both the plant and a small organism is bacteria, need nitrogens for their survival. It means that these plants and small organisms, for survival, these gases is very important. But you know that the plant do not take nitrogen directly from the atmosphere. They get it from the roots, from their roots. Nitrogen, what is the quality? That the nitrogen is tasteless, colorless, odorless matlab smellless. That retards combustion. Combustion means that the process of burning. It is difficult to control fire without nitrogen. It means that the fire brigade needs these gases to control over the fire. Okay? And next class we will discuss about the next gas is oxygen. And you know that the what is the importance, what is the very important for living organism. Next classes we will discuss. Thank you.